Hi, I'm Deputy Ford with the Hennepin County Sheriff's Office, and I'd like to invite you to our open house, which is going to take place on June 10th. Casey and the crew are getting patrol headquarters ready to go. Bring all your friends and family, it's going to be fun. We will have canine demos for everyone to see, divers going underwater in a big pool. We'll have some really beautiful horses out here with our mounted patrol unit, drone demonstrations in the air, and really cool robots that roll around on the ground. You'll be able to explore our armored vehicles and our command center. And you'll be able to jump on one of our water patrol boats. We'll be giving away a free bike with a helmet every hour thanks to Target and Children's Hospital. And don't forget, free lunch for everybody. Hey Casey, there's a lot of work to be done. Happening June 10th at 9401 83rd Avenue North in Brooklyn Park from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Be there and you can meet Casey.